Hello everyone, my name is Nazwa Giza Sartika. Today, I would like to present my grammar project. The topic that I will explain are correlative conjunction and degree comparison. Okay, the first is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction is a pair of words that work together to join equal grammatical element in a sentence. Think of them like a teamwork. They always come in pairs and they connect words, press, and clauses that have the same importance or parallel structure. Core function to establish a logical relationship between two elements, such as a showing alternative addition or negation, while maintaining sentence balance. Grammatical pattern. The most crucial rule is Preslim. The grammatical structure following the first conjunction must match structure following the second. Pattern subject plus verb plus object plus conjunction 1 plus element A plus conjunction 2 plus element B. Example of balance. If element is a noun phrase, uh, element B must be a noun phrase. Original sentence and structure analysis. Bird and addition sentence. The new police bots increase employee productivity and improve workplace morale. Analysis connect to parallel verb press increases and improve. It emphasizes that two positive outcomes occur simultaneously. Either or alternative sentence. You can either submit the report via email or upload it directly to the portal. Analysis. Connect to parallel invite for press. Submit and upload. It presents a choice between two mutually exclusive action. Neither nor. Negative choice. Sentence. Neither the manager nor the team member were aware of the system glitch. Analysis connect to non-press functioning as subjects, the manager and the team members. Grammar note: the verb were agrees with the closer subject, team, or member. Not only but also. Sentence: she is not only an exceptional research but also a mentor analysis connect to parallel non-press and exceptional research and addiction mentor, adding extra presses to the second quality. Mass media analysis example 1. Search information. Scientists call for integrating three energy demand goals into climate policy by 2035. Article title SAM. Except for media, warning that climate policy will fall short unless to focus not only on how energy is produced, but also on how it is used. Linguistic explanation, conjunction pair, not only but also. Structural breakdown. This sentence demonstrates perfect parallelism. Paras, parallel, parallelism. Because it connects to depends clauses or subclauses that begin with the same interrogative or adverbial phrase on how energy is produced on how it is used. Semantic meaning: the author used this conjunction to emphasize that claim police must not be one-sided. The focus should be not be limited to just one aspect or energy production. Rather, equal importance must also be given to the second aspect or energy use in order to achieve optimal result. Example 2, article title Trump says there will either be a deal with Iran or US will finish the job. President Donald Trump said on a Monday, July 6, 2026, the United US would either reach a deal with Iran or finish the job, remaining his threat of military action. Conjunction pair either or. Structural breakdown. This conjunction connects to grammatically equivalent parallel verb phrase, reach a deal with Iran and finish the job. Both phrases are governed by the modal verb would. Semantic meaning. Semantically, either or is used to indicate mutually exclusive choice or situation. If one occurs, the other does not. In this political context, the structure creates firms ultimatum that uh, there are only two possible paths forward for the US regarding Iran: a peaceful path or agreement, or full-scale military action. Is degree comparison. A degree of comparison are used to compare people, object, or situation. There are three types. First, a positive degree, which describe one thing or shows equality. Second is a comparative degree, which compares two things. Third is superlative degree, which compares three or more things and show the highest or lowest quality. Uh, The first sentence use as to show equality. The second uses more than to compare the things. And then third uses less and than to show a lower degree. The last sentence uses the most because if you compare one person with everyone else, it chances of follow the correct grammar pattern. Okay. Analysis example, mass media examples. One is the example from example comes from BBC News. The sentence says that 2023 was the hottest years on record. The word hottest is a superlative adjective. It shows that no other years had a higher temperature than 2023. 23. This is a good example of how superlatives are used in news articles. The second example comes from the Washington Post. The sentence uses better than. The word better is an irregular comparative form of good. It's a compressed reading physical books with a reading on the digital screen. The article concluded the reading printed book give a better comprehension and retention. Okay, conclusion. To conclude, but grammar topic are a very important. Correlative conjunction help a correct ideas correctly and logically. Degree of comparison help us compare qualities accurately. This grammar structure are not only used in the classroom but also in a newspaper, article, and everyday communication. Now I will continue with the error analysis. The question 1. Uh, the question 1. The study which won the competition is my friends. Okay. Number 1, correct the student who won. Explain which is used for things or animal, not for people. Use who as a relative pronoun to refer to people functioning as the subject of the clauses. Number 2, she made a professor whose book. The sentence is correctly uses who to express a possession. Use whose to show a possession in a relative clauses. Number three, the library that was renovated recently is a very modern. The pronoun it is unnecessary because we're already introduced the relative clauses. Number four, I have a classmate who studies linguistics, which indicates a possession, but the sentence requires the subject pronoun use who when referring to the subject of relative clauses. Number five, the laptop that I booked yesterday is already broken. Who refer only to people. Use which or that for things. Number six, the lecturer who teaches syntax is a very popular. The pronoun she in a redundant because that already function as the subject. Avoid unnecessary subject pronoun in relative clauses. Number seven, the building which we discussed yesterday will be demolished son. The verb discuss does not the that the possession about. Discuss is a transitive verb in and is followed directly by its objects. Number eight, the research who article receive an award. The sentence needs a possessive relative pronoun use whose to indicate the possession. This is the campus where I studied for 4 years. Two relative markers that and where cannot be used together. Use either that or where, but not both. And last, the scholarship which was offered by the government. The pronoun is unnecessary avoid redundant pronoun in relative clauses. Okay, the question number two, degree comparison. And number one is large. Larger. Large is on syllable adjective and from the comparative with er. One syllable adjective use er, not more. Number two, the smartest. Double comparison is not allowed use either as or most, never but. Number three, easier. Easy form the comparative by changing y and I plus er. Adjective ending in y become er. Number four, greater than. Superlative are not followed by than. Comparative use than. Superlative compare within a group. Number five, more interesting. Long adjective use more. Adjective with a three or more syllables take more. Number six, more expensive. Expensive is a long adjective. Use more plus adjective. Number seven, the best. Best is already the superlative form. Never use more before best. Number eight, the most comfortable room. A comparison among all rooms require the superlative use the most with a long adjective. Number nine, cheaper than. Cheap is a one-syllable adjective. Use cheaper than. Number 10, worse. Bad is an irregular adjective. Irregular comparative bad, worse. Okay, question number three is a correlative conjunction. Number one, correct. Both the lecturer and the students were interested. Both must pair with and. Correct. Both and. Either the manager or the staff member are responsible. Either pairs only within or. Number three, neither the teacher nor the students were prepared. Neither paired with nor. On number four, not only does the library provide digital research, the standard correlative pair is not only but also. Number five, interested but in the collecting data. The two elements must have a parallel grammatical structure, maintain parallelism. Number six, whether the meeting will be online or online has not been decided yet. Whether pairs with or. Number seven, no sooner had the lecture started than several students achieved alert. No sooner must be followed by Jen. No sooner Jen. Number eight, scarcely had I finished my assignment when the lecturer announced a new task. Scarcely pairs within when. Number nine, such was the difficulty of the exam that many sudden felt it. So is unnecessary after that, such that. And the last, whether the professor and the assistant conducted the workshop, the correlative conjunction is rather than. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.